Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jasleen, and this video is about my current situation. मेरी current lease is ending, and मैंने already new lease sign कर ली थी. And if you are in Quebec and you're facing some similar problem, so here's a video for you. So मेरी न्यू लीज 1 सितंबर को स्टार्ट हो रही थी and my landlord asked me to delay the move-in date due to an emergency. Now, in such situation, आपके क्या rights है being a tenant, especially in Quebec? First of all, let me be clear. I'm not a lawyer and I'm not here to give any legal advice, but it's just my own problem and own situation. So I feel like making a video and maybe आप लोगों को भी help हो. So I was saying that मेरी lease start date 1 सितंबर की थी and just a day before हमारे landlord ने कहा that the new landlord that there was a situation in the apartment where the current tenants were not leaving the place. And तो उन्होंने कहा कि apartment won't be available on the 1st September. So in such situation, what can you do being a tenant? You first, your landlord should offer you, and you have the full right to ask for temporary stay. And in my situation, it's like about a month. जो हमें वो लीज जो हमने साइन की हमें वो प्लेस नहीं मिलेगी. सो टेम्परेरी स्टे एज एयरबीएनबी एंड उसकी कॉस्ट आपको नहीं भरनी होगी. देयर विल बी अ सर्टेन अमाउंट, अ सर्टेन लिमिट टू द कॉस्ट, बट you have the full right and your landlord should definitely pay that cost. And you have to be polite even though it's stressful and आपको end moment में काफ़ी गुस्सा भी आ रहा होगा, but still you have to be polite at the end of the day, ताकि जो भी procedure है वो आराम से हो, and you can make sure that your work should be done in a polite and accurate manner. So it's very important to stay calm, polite, and no anger at all. And secondly, no need to freak out. I know this can be a tough situation. It can be quite stressful because आप पूरा plan करते हो कि आपने अपनी current place से new place में कैसे move in करना है. You arrange stuff, maybe you ask your friends, you do other things, right? So and also जो आपको लीज छोड़नी होती है, जो घर छोड़ना होता है, वो छोड़ने के लिए भी आपको एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम लिमिट होती है. सो ओवरऑल इट्स वेरी chaotic एंड बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन होती है. It's very important that whatever you discuss with your landlord, that should be after this discussion, after you take any step, even like if they ask you to pay the bill for the Airbnb, you should have all the things that you discussed. वो आपको सब कुछ रिटर्न में लेना चाहिए, because that is really important. Next thing, a new place, your temporary accommodation should be covered by the landlord. Second of all, you can also negotiate and ask for the expenses that will be taking place in future when you are again moving. Because इसमें ये headache है, आप एक जगह से दूसरी जगह move करते हो, but Airbnb में भी आप अपना पूरा सामान जो shift करना होता है वो नहीं आप लेके जा सकते. That's so उसके लिए you can ask either for a storage, और अगर आप मार्केट प्लेस से या और भी कोई जगह से स्टोरेज रेंट आउट भी कर रहे हो, दैट शुड ऑल्सो बी कवर्ड बाय देम, either covered by the landlord or paid by them, or like something like that it should not be headache अगर आपको नहीं मिल रहा है, अगर आप वो ऐसे कुछ चीज़ नहीं मिल रही है, सो वो आपको लैंडलॉर्ड ही पे करेगा. देन आपको रिटर्न में, आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट कौन सी चीज़ें आपको आपका राइट है एंड आपको रिटर्न में भी ये चीज़ लेनी चाहिए बिफोर टेकिंग एनी एक्शन. Third thing that I do want to mention is that आपको पूरी bills उनको दिखाने पड़ेंगे, and you have the right to ask the money beforehand if you are booking an Airbnb, and if you did any Uber anything, you can just show the bill and they should give the money right away without any sort of delay. I forgot the count, but another thing that you can do, you should ask for a reduction of rent for for the following month. So that is very important. So these are your certain rights. And अगर आपको ऐसी situation आ गई है कनाडा में, क्यूबेक में, to make sure that everything is in written and सब कुछ एक organized formal way में हो, and you should, and you want everything in written. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like this video and I hope कि आपको इस वीडियो से कुछ sort of clarity मिली होगी if you are in the same situation, and if not आपको कुछ knowledge मिला होगा. So thank you so much and bye, take care.